Welcome, and today we're going to discuss about the categories section in the Wonder platform. So in this section, you can add, edit, or delete the different learning categories that you offer or provide to your team. Okay, so to access the category section on your main Wonder menu, click on categories. Okay, so you have, by default, you have the ability to create up to 5 level of categories. So you can nest them. For instance, we have here a main category called business, and under business, we have subcategory called sales and marketing. At the same time, customer service. So if I want to put personal development on the same subcategory, I just drag and drop like this. So now we have 3 subcategory under business. And then if I want to make personal development a subcategory of customer service, I just drag that way. So you have the ability to drag or create up to 5 levels. So business will be the level 1, level 2 will be sales and marketing, at the same time customer service. Level 3 will be personal development, level 4 workplace and career, and level 5 will be education. So you will have 5 type of categories. 5 levels. Okay, so you can add new categories by clicking the new category button and then type the category name. For instance, you are providing courses about human resource for your team. Hit save. Automatically it will be added on the bottom part, so you can just drag it to the position that you like. Okay, so you can also make it a subcategory again by just dragging and dropping. Okay, so that's easy to do, right? And then if say you want to like rename a category, you can do so by clicking the edit icon. Then update. So it will be updated right away. Okay, on this category, you can also see the tags tab. These are all the tags that were added on the course settings. So you have the ability to rename or edit the tags in case you misspelled them. You have also the ability to delete. Remember, tags are used to search for specific keywords within the course. Okay, then let's go back to the categories. So once a category has been added, it will be available on this structure, and all the categories that you have listed will be available on the courses section. So let me just show that to you. Let's open the course section here. Okay, say for this course, let's see the settings, and then there's a category. You can see here, if you click here, you will see the available category. So business is the main category, and then the level 2 will be sales and marketing and customer service, and then under that personal development, and then under that level is workplace, and the level 5 is education. So it will be reflected on the course setting. And then once you select, just note, once you select a parent category, for example, I will select business, my course will be tagged also under the child categories or subcategory that is under with business. So let's just try that. If I click business, you can see. So since I chosen the parent category, all of the child category are also added. Okay, so be mindful of that. So for me to just tag this under, say, workplace and career, So if I select this, the category that will be added is workplace and career plus the subcategory education. Okay, so if I will just use education, then that's only the category that will be added to my course. Okay, so be mindful of that because categories also being used in the mobile app. Let me show you how it is presented. Okay, so I'm mirroring again my mobile app from my phone. So let's just skip this splash page. Okay, so the category on the mobile app is located on the library tab or library section. As you can see, there's a categories here. If I click on that, or if I tap, there's a category called business. Then I click on the arrow, and then as you can see, I will see the level 2, sales and marketing, and then customer service. And if I click customer service, I click the third level, personal development, workplace, and the fifth level will be education. So that's how it will be reflected on your mobile app. So anything that you set on your category section will also be shown on the mobile app. Okay, and the user can filter the courses that he will see on the library section by choosing the available categories here. So example, I'll click life hacks. So it will filter all courses. For now, there's no course associated with the life hacks category. Say, let me just do an example. Let's put this on the life hacks category. Okay, so they can simulate. Okay, so I'll tag this as a life hack category and then hit save. Okay, and then I will refresh my mobile app. Okay, and filter. Okay, can you see that? So now we have one course under the life hacks category since I set it on the settings here for it to have a life hacks category. Okay, so on our mobile app it will show the result. So that's how course category or topic of interest works. So sometimes we call it topic of interest for the learners side. Okay, and then again, you notice that the title of the course is red, meaning this is not yet live. It is still offline, so I can see it because I'm logged in here on the mobile app as the admin. That's why I can see even the offline courses. So it's a good way for me to simulate the material before I push it to live. Okay, so thank you. So see you on our next video. Before we proceed to the next section, I also like to point out that each time you update your categories, it will also be reflected on the registration or user registration or user profile page. So you can see here for the select at least 3 topic of interest or course category, if they select that, you will see that the categories that we have set is also reflected here. Okay, so if we add or modify these categories, again it will be reflected, so they can select that. Okay, so that's it for the categories section. It's a good way to organize your courses by certain categories. So your categories again can be like at a certain topic like business or certain content type like books, if you are doing book summary or ebook, or if you are doing content for certain teams. You can have categories like for sales, for HR, for IT, for your managers. So you can have those kind of categories. So you can structure your Wonder platform or your LMS in that setting. Okay, it depends on your preference and your needs. Okay, so that's a good way for you to organize contents. Okay, so again, thank you and see you on the next video.